Start your presentation.
Hello everyone, good morning, respected and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rohit Sagar. My father name is Dr. I studied in class 7th model. Today is my presentation topic sensory organ. Sensory organ, sensory organ are the part of our body that we should take care of our body that around us. There are five sensory organs: eyes, nose, hair, tongue, skin. Eyes help us see to with our eyes. Air, air. There are three parts of air: inner ear, middle ear, outer ear. Outer ear sound waves canals to middle ear, eardrum, inner ear, inner ear, cochlear, nose help us smell. We smell with our eyes. Tongue help us five basic taste: sweet, sour, salt, bitter. Skin is the largest organ of the body. It is also protect our body. The sensory organ send message to our brain how should take care of our body. Thank you.
Very good, fantastic.